If you've been told your accident was minor, but your body doesn't feel minor at all, this video is for you. Because one of the most common things we hear after a crash is, I don't know why I still feel off. And if that's you, you're not imagining it, and you're definitely not alone. After a car accident, most people judge how they should feel based on the damage to the vehicles. If the cars don't look bad, if the airbags didn't deploy, or everyone walked away, there's this assumption that your body should be fine too. But your body doesn't experience accidents the way insurance companies do. Your body experiences force, sudden movement, and loss of control. Even in a low-speed collision, your muscles instinctively brace, your neck and spine can snap forward and back, and your nervous system can go straight into survival mode. All of that happens in a fraction of a second, faster than you can consciously react. In that moment, adrenaline takes over. Adrenaline is powerful. It can mask pain, increase focus, and help you get through the immediate situation. That's why so many people say, I felt okay at first, or I didn't notice anything until later. Hours or even days later, that adrenaline wears off, and that's when symptoms often appear. Stiffness in the neck or shoulders, headaches that weren't there before or are more frequent, fatigue that feels deeper than normal, difficulty concentrating, a general sense that something just isn't right. That delayed response doesn't mean that you weren't injured in the wreck. It means your body was prioritizing survival first and is only now starting to process what happened. Feeling off after an accident doesn't mean you're weak, exaggerating, or dramatic. It means your body absorbed a shock, and shock doesn't always leave visible marks. Another reason people struggle after so-called minor accidents is comparison. They compare themselves to others who were in worse crashes, or they compare themselves to who they think they should be, someone who just shakes it off and moves on. But recovery isn't a competition. Your body's response is your body's response. The moment recovery begins is often the moment you stop measuring your experience against someone else's and start listening to your own signals. And those signals matter. Ignoring them, pushing through pain, or telling yourself you should be fine can actually slow healing. Small injuries that are dismissed early can turn into chronic discomfort over time, especially when soft tissue, joints, or the nervous system are involved. That's why self-care after an accident is so important. Self-care doesn't mean assuming the worst or overreacting. It means giving your body what it needs to recover properly. That might mean resting more than usual. It might mean following up with a medical provider, even if symptoms feel manageable. It might mean paying attention to patterns. What makes symptoms better, what makes them worse, and how your body responds over time. Healing works best when it's supported early rather than forced later. It's also important to understand that recovery isn't always linear. You may feel better one day and worse the next. That doesn't mean you're going backward. It means your body is adjusting and recalibrating. Progress often shows up as fewer bad days over time, not instant relief. So if you've been telling yourself, it was a minor accident, I should be fine, but something still feels off, pause and listen to that. Your body is giving you information, not excuses. If you're unsure whether what you're feeling is normal, or you're wondering what steps make sense next, our office is happy to talk through your situation and help you understand your options. You don't have to guess your way through recovery or second guess what your body is telling you. In the next video, we're going to talk about something even less discussed, the emotional and psychological impact of car accidents, and why, when you've been in a crash, it's far more common to feel that way than people think. Tune in, or we'll see you next time.